Ever noticed those smooth scrolling credits at the end of every movie? What if you could create the same cinematic effects using just PowerPoint? Hello friends, today we will learn how to create professional upward scrolling credit titles in PowerPoint. Simple, clean and movie style. Most PowerPoint slides looks basic and static. But what if your slide could feel like the ending scene of a real movie? Let's turn that simple slides into something cinematic. Open your slide and set the background color to black. This small change creates a powerful movie-like atmosphere instantly. Insert a text box and align text to center. Select white color. Now type all your content, names, roles, special thanks or credits. Don't worry if the text goes outside the slide area, that's exactly what we want. Make names bigger and bold, keep headings slightly smaller, maintain proper spacing so everything looks clean and readable. This is what gives the professional film credit look. Move the entire text box upward so the last line starts near the top of the slide. This positioning is very important for smooth upward scrolling. Select the text box, go to the animation tab and choose fly in. Then open effect options and set the direction to from bottom. Set start with previous. Increase the duration around 25 seconds depending on your content. Larger duration means smoother and more cinematic movement. If this trick is helping you, hit the like button and subscribe for more powerful PowerPoint ideas. Play the slideshow. Now you will see your text smoothly scrolling upward just like movie credits. Simple step but a very professional results. Now you can create stunning end credits for projects, YouTube videos, presentations or events. Your slides won't look basic anymore. They will feel cinematic and engaging. Tell me in the comments what effects you want to learn next. Share this video with your friends who loves creative presentations. And don't miss the next video where you will create even more cinematic PowerPoint effects. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Bye.